Hello and welcome to a new video where with your four friends Henry. I hope you like it, like and subscribe and comment below if you want more videos. This the time will apply the ATL, extract, transfer and load process. First, we open your Chrome browser. We start an account with accounts. The first thing we are going to do is a look for any accounts the CSV files generated. In this case, we will use Mocaru. We click in your first one. We are going be allowed to generate a table with several attributes. In the case we are going to make a table called people and the attributes because we are going to have the first name, the last name, the main, the gender, and telephone number and the date. Email of breed we change something in the attributes in in the phone. For example, we put phone in this date of breed. We put the date and verify that everything's correct, and then we can generate of database. And it is the download automatically. We open our database that was generated in Mocaru. Um, uh, as we can see, the archive CSV file has already been generated, and we have two fields and sign link that we are going to apply the transformation extraction process. We indicate everything and give it that date. Mm, we go to table in columns. We give in separate B command to separate the cells. We click on next and type text here and click finish. And we can see all the fields same. We have in sync column have been separate know what are going to do is separate in data and date because the date to the date month and year that we are going to the is separate in tending to the year months and dates for which are going to use a transformation process with some formulas that the exercise has. We indicate the entry column. We are going to the date. We look for what that says of where points to other, and next to in the box we put sites. We give in next. We cite that they separate. We put type mm, type text in the tar columns, and we click in finish. We click on asset. We can that the dates has already been separated. So let's put right now what is let's join in three cells by putting the years, months, and dates. for which the put a following the form put occur with contacts and open parents put tell we were in this case in H2 to select to separate which at pond and semicolon and we put this hour and the month which was G trip semicolon we open with that the with close uh, and the column we put F. Uh, Now that we are going to is the our sum to enable our put uh, mm, that to the MySQL Joe. After this, we go to our database manager, which is case MySQL Joe. Now click in data to create a new database. Mm, we click on new database. Mm, we we put video. In next option, we are going to allow the last one put FTH. We click and continue, and we have our database where database we point to our database called video. Then is going to the people. We give it query again, and we process to create our first table, which in the case is going to be um, the people. We create an auto increment ID. Um, okay. Mm, we create an automate ID. It is going to be our the primary key. No? Primary key. We put as the first name. We put the last name. Um, they are going to make a bar chart of 15 each to email a bar chart of the 55. Mm, Next attribute, the gender is going to be of 50. The phone is going to a patch of bar chart the 50, and we also have the date. The date is going to the date type in the indicate. Mm, Everything we mark everything and we click on run. We run the program and, and we see it has already been executed. Our database has already been created. Our database. One moment. Mm, okay. To see that the person table has already been created. Mm, that we are going to the to is make a select. are tested from people. Mm, uh, select point from the people, sip of love. Okay, okay. One moment. Okay, decorate the 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 table is the people. The front is the select from people to make and play. Okay. Mm, when to see that the person table has already been created that are going to the make select arts to save if stop to the if the table was created in this case. If the table was created by the attributes, the we are going to insert some data in our table, um, for which we are going to the put insert values in name of the table which in people. We open the parents well cause with that parents we put in the attribute that we um, mentioned before. In this case, it is the first name, the last name, the email, um, the gender, the telephone, and the date. After the parents we press values, we open the close parents uh, semicolon. Inside the parents, uh, we will have seen with and the attributes that we mentioned before we put a name. In the first one, we put a command. We open the close single um, kids inside that we put the last name of simple food, eat your email and gender and telephone number and the date of having place. All the attributes we select and execute uh, as we see we mm, already have a data insert in your table. Mm, excuse me one moment. Um, I'm executing the. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Put in this case, we are going to the our load process. Load finally where are going to the point or every every everything insert and go to Excel. In your Excel after the date we place the following formula equal concatenate. We open the close the parents inside the parents. We put double quits inside the double quotes and poster or code once we have mm, parents or code yourselves in case the name is to the last name is the B2 in the email is C2 in the gender is C2 in the spawn is A2 and R is the A2. We press the enter. As we can see that already being inserted, we click on the docs. Mm, on the loader uh, in concrete and okay. Um, see the insert click and on the docs double click double click on the loader loader um, that incorrect and see we see it has already been the general in all of your copy every tab all or the database we point and every and give me it see the light button uh, that is the copy inside the MySQL Joe is the paste um, mm, uh, paste in your database where points at every and give it to the light point tab is like to play. Mm, we wait for some minutes. Uh, util is the gender and as we see all the data has already by insert to vary which make and select assets from the name on the table which in the case is the people semicolon we select we are going to run and the width and the data has already been inserted that we're in your Excel. That all. Thank you very much for watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe. Um, more contents like this. Thank you.